Swamiji, Rishabh from Delhi wants to know your views on the Indian philosophy of Vasudev Kutumbakam in this highly globalized world.
The first place, Rishabh, let me make it clear. This Vasudev Kutumbakam is essentially a Vedic concept. And let us not constrict it to Indian because Vedas are universal and therefore Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the entire universe and the whole world, a family, which means not only human beings being a part of one family, also all the birds, animals and living creatures are part of our extended family. And in this way, this has to be appreciated and lived upon. Now, this very question cropped up in my first interaction with the then World Bank president around 1995-96. He had come to India as the World Bank president and I was protesting with a placard, "Go back." He invited us for a discussion inside his office room and offered us tea. After listening to us, he cancelled the loan which had been sanctioned by the World Bank for Sardar Sarovar, that is Narmada Dam. So we got very encouraged. Later he invited me to Washington DC in his own office, and there, seated in front of me were 15 top economic leaders or policy makers. He was seated, James Wolfensohn himself was seated in the center. And they said, "Why are you so critical about our globalization?" I said, "Mr. President, your globalization is nothing but glorification of greed as God." He was a bit taken aback. "What do you mean?" I said, "Yes. Your globalization essentially means privatization of natural resources. Natural resources belong to each one of human beings living on this planet equally. You cannot privatize it and allow these big corporates to make profit out of it, profiteering out of it." So he said, "What is your alternative?" I said, "My alternative is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam." Obviously, he would not understand the meaning of this Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. I tried to explain saying that this is world as a family. He said, "Well, we are also saying the world as a market." I said, "That is the difference. In a marketplace, everything becomes a commodity and there is a price tag. The rich and the powerful come and they buy up all the natural resources and everything gets exploited. It's a part of predatory economic development the world over as promoted by the market capitalism. And the difference between Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is family has got the youngest child and the youngest child gets his or her share, the first, of care, attention, medicine, food, whatever. And then comes the last, the breadwinner of the family. Now, if you apply this family model all over the world, then the rich countries, rich societies should first cater to the needs of the poorest of the poor countries, communities all over the world. And only after that, they should try to take their own share. Are you ready for it? I asked him. And he was perplexed. He could not come out with any answer. And at that time I said, one day will come when these forces of market capitalism will get out and this concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam will come in. Now, day before yesterday, listening to our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, I was so encouraged, in fact enthused, when he said, "We have got this great tradition of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and therefore we need to do something by way of becoming self-reliant, but our self-reliance should not mean being self-centered. It should mean that we are marching towards Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Let us hope and trust that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's own policies and his government's policies and all other government policies will be driven by this logic that the weakest in the society, the Dalits, the Adivasis, the migrant labor, the women, the minorities, and all of them get their share the first of development. That was what Gandhiji had prescribed unto this last. And therefore, friends, I think that this is high time that all our resources, all our policies, priorities must be directed towards achieving this goal of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Then only we can proudly claim that this has been our Vedic heritage, this has been our great message to the whole world, and let the whole world feel challenged by India that they have started translating this concept into reality by taking care of the poorest of the poor first, and then only come the rich and the richer and the richest. Thank you all very much.